folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is February 10th, 2022. Got it right again. Woo! Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is the inflation numbers came out. I tried a new format this morning, and let me know if you guys liked it. It was me commentating over the CNBC commentary to explain these things to you guys, because a lot of the verbiage, you might miss a lot of just one word they say might affect some things. So when we come back, I'm going to show you where rates opened and where they're going to be probably by the end of the day. Special feature out for those that are building a house. You guys should be freaking out. So I might have some ideas for you next. So don't go away. So here's the headline news right here, as I just posted a little bit ago. Inflation hits 7.5% annually basis, even more than expected, high since 1982. The number wasn't that big of a variance. It was off by like 0.1 or 0.2, but it's great headlines for the news and everything else. I still think, and I'll show you here in a second, what the MBS market did is it completely overreacted, and I see us coming. That should create another bottom. Because it was a complete overreaction on how much things moved. So let's get on to it. Here's where rates started the day. Now, they're not going to be here anymore. So let's go back through here. So if you follow me on a daily basis, you get it. So if you don't, I'll explain the MBSs for you, but then I'm going to go over my terminology here real quick. So the 30-year fixed rate is right now at 3.9, but we want to focus in on right below here. It says 0.4 in points. Okay, so by the end of today, this will be your tomorrow's post is probably going to give you a 4% rate. Okay, but this would probably be at 4% if they took out these points. So, you know, what points are is you're actually spending money to buy down your rate. Okay, so that's what happens there. So if you take that out, rates are probably at 4 anyways. The 15-year, and it's up 1 basis point. That's what this means here. Plus 0.01, we reference that as a basis point. All right, the 15 years flat at 3.16. The 30-year FHA/VA is 3.5, flat as well. The jumbo is up 1 basis points from the day before at 3.43, and the 5-year ARM is up 1 basis points at 3.68. We're going to focus in on this. I know people are going to say, you know, I will never take an adjustable rate. Well, let me explain something to you. When we give you options for an adjustable rate, we're giving you a 10-year option. A huge majority of loans only are taken out between 7 and 9 years. The majority of all those loans, think of your mortgage. How long have you had it? Almost all loans only last about 7 to 9 years. You refinance, you sell, you do something. Okay, so that's what's going on here. When this spread between the 30-year and the ARM that we have gets to at least 0.5% or more, that's what we're going to be quoting you. We're going to quote you back an adjustable rate as well as a fixed rate, but I want to educate you guys exactly what adjustable rates are. So I have a video about that. Where are the MBSs right now? They're down 56. Huge number, but this is going to be volatile as all get out. I'm going to go to this screen here because this is what I monitor. It's live. It's going tick by tick by tick. We're at 48. So you can see down through here, I'm going to try to make sure I get this on the screen. I'm saying this is the bottom for right now. And it's going to be a bottom for a little ways, at least until possibly the Fed meets. So mark my words on that. I could be wrong because we have things in the background, such as Russia. China's looking to do something with Taiwan. And I won't say take it over, but there's something there. You have so much tension throughout the world. North Korea is shooting rockets again. All this is playing in. I'm not saying anything political. It's just stuff that's happening. It affects the markets, okay? I don't care who the president is or who's in government. When these things, the unrest is throughout the world, especially to this extent, we have reactions in the market. So that's all I want to explain in that part of it. So what you're going to see is mortgage rates starting to really move because of this, okay? So I want to reach out to those that are in you're building a house, okay? You should be freaking out. Here's why. I've been pleading and pleading. I'm like, guys, I know you're getting money from your lender. You know, it might be $5,000, $10,000. That doesn't mean squat if you can't buy. Here's what might happen to some of you. You qualified at 3. Now rates are 4, possibly 4.25. possibly 4.5 by the time your house is done. Will you qualify for that loan at 4.5, 4.25? So here's what the lender's probably going to do. They're going to say, well, the rates are really high now. We're going to take that 8 or 10,000 and we're going to use that to buy down your rate. So basically you're getting no benefits if you would have locked with us already. We have rate locks up to 6 months. So to find out more about that, I would highly suggest you call us because we need to talk to you. We need to talk to you fast. We're going to throw out the money that the lender is going to give you if you use the builder's lender. Okay. But I want to explain to you guys, you might not qualify anymore. So if that's not making the hair on the back of your neck stand up, I don't know what is. So please, before you fret, call us. If you know somebody that's building a house, send this video to them. At least give them our information so they can call us. We can scan all over the country, all different programs to say, what might benefit you. My concern is you get pigeonholed in with the lender of the builder. And I say builder because it's completely what they do is illegal based on regulations. They cannot give you a benefit to use a specific lender. That's called steering. Google it. It's illegal. But the Federal Reserve and the CFPB and everything, and they really don't do anything about it because the builder lobbyists are pretty darn good. Okay, so that's what's going on. So if you're in that market, or you're just like, hey, I really need to do something now, I would highly suggest you not stay on the fence anymore and call us. So the best way to do that is 3 ways. You can call us 844-775-5626 or schedule a meeting. Click the button. It's going to open a calendar. You check the day and time of your convenience. Or 3, click the apply now button. You can do that to get your application in. We can review it. And then when we do call you, we can kind of, pick your brain to see what exactly are you looking to do. But my way of doing it, I would call in to make sure you get one of us. I'm still in the background. I know what's going on with every file. I review every file. Might not be in the forefront, but I'm behind the scenes at all times. So God bless, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. I'll see you later.